is Risha, our long-coated German Shepherd, and she has long hair. And likewise, this is running around. This is Prince Valiant, and he's also a long-coated German Shepherd, as was his grandfather, or his father, and his mom, which they were both raised here. Risha, on the other hand, is a chocolate German Shepherd, and her parents hail from Germany directly. And that kind of gives you an idea of what she looks like. Both of them are rather straight-backed, and yet they have good conformation. And you can see kind of their body movements, and okay, that's what a long coat looks like. I'll kind of give you an idea of their gait. So if you want to see more, feel free to look online at www.gsdcoats.com. That's www.gsdcoats.com. This couple is expecting in August, and certainly we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you, and have a great day.